Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and we're looking at a 2020 Lexus ES 350 F Sport. It's featured in atomic silver with a red leather interior. It's amazing interior. It really pops. This example is offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $48,445. Here we take a look at the left rear tire. For additional information or to set up a test drive, contact Trey. His contact information is listed below. Here we see the F Sport exterior styling with the rear spoiler. We also have a unique bumper, grille, and rear valance, LED taillights. Here we see the F Sport badging. So this vehicle is amazing. It's loaded. We have bi-LED headlamps, daytime running lights, electronic heated outside mirrors. You see those right here. Power folding outside mirrors. F Sport suspension tuning, performance dampers front and rear. Here we get a great look at the 19-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels wrapped with all-season tires. There's the F Sport badging on the right front fender. Also have it on the left front fender for that matter. We have the daytime running lights. We already mentioned that. As we dive into the interior, take a look at those seats. Absolutely amazing. It's a Circuit Red NuLuxe with Hadori Aluminum trim. You can see the Hadori Aluminum trim on the dash and the doors. We'll get a better look at that in a moment. There you see the power moonroof. As we slide around to the front driver's and passenger seat. So we have a one-touch open and close power tilt and slide moonroof. Driver mode select, economy, normal, and sport. 10-way F Sport bolstered front heated and vented power front seats. The Mark Levinson stereo, we'll talk more about that in a moment. The additional power ports for the rear passenger. And now we get a great look at that dashboard, door-to-door shot. You can see the aluminum pedals, the dead pedal, the brake, and the gas pedal. Just an amazing vehicle as we tilt back and show that power moonroof again. So here we can see the one-touch up and down power windows. There's the power seats as well as the additional bolstering. Just a very, very comfortable F Sport seat along with that red leather, just pops. Great look at the center stack. F Sport badging on the steering wheel, fingertip controls on the steering wheel, paddle shifters, tilt telescoping, electronic tilt and telescoping. There's the F Sport pedals, memory seats, memory mirrors. Mark Levinson. There you get a great look at the memory seat and memory mirrors. Again, the F Sport badging on the steering wheel. So there's the drive mode select for the economy, normal, and sport. The F Sport heated leather steering wheel. Here we have the heated steering wheel. You can set it to auto or you can control high and low. We also have heated seats with 3 controls as well as auto. And then also vented seats. Wireless charger, additional power ports for the driver and passenger. There's the controls for the media system. The windshield wiper is de-icer as well as a fast response interior heater. Believe me, that interior heater is a fast response. And I got in and turned on the car. It was cold outside. Really warmed up quickly. We have a Lexus safety system 2.0 pre-collision, pedestrian detection, all-speed dynamic radar, lane tracing and lane departure alert, intuitive parking assist with auto braking. Really a cool center console here. As you can see, it opens up towards the driver and as well as the passenger. The technology on that, it just amazes me every time I get in one of those. There's all your manuals. We have a backup camera with a dynamic guidelines. We have Lexus Inform Service Connect, Lexus multimedia system with an 8-inch color display. The Mark Levinson PurePlay 17 speaker 1800 watt premium sound audio system. There's the paddle shifters we mentioned earlier. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, electronic parking brake, push start and stop. We already mentioned the power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, rain sensing wiper blades. Here we are doing the function on the electronic parking brake. As far as the trunk, we have a 16.7 cubic feet. We have all-weather floor liners as well as trunk tray. We have trunk mat, cargo net, wheel lock key gloves, first aid kit. Just an amazing vehicle, very impressive. Great color. As far as an engine, it's a 3.5 liter V6 engine producing 302 horsepower, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering 22 city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Here we see the forward-facing cameras. There's a camera right there. We'll move over to the other side and a camera in front of the driver's side. We appreciate you watching this. For additional information, contact Trey.